Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word birdbath. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The birdbath in the garden was filled with fresh water, attracting colorful birds to come and take a dip. A birdbath is a shallow basin filled with water, typically placed in gardens or yards for birds to drink from or bathe in. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.